Welcome to Review TV. Today, we're looking at the SEALIGHT Handheld Car Vacuum, a powerful, cordless vacuum cleaner that's ideal for cars, homes, and even offices. With a powerful 21,000 PA suction, this mini vacuum makes quick work of sand, dust, and debris, giving you a spotless clean every time. The SEALIGHT vacuum is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, delivering 120 L of power, boosting suction by an impressive 75%, and tackling stubborn messes with ease. This cordless vacuum also offers a 30-minute runtime with its dual battery design, letting you clean multiple spaces in one go without worrying about power. 2024 has brought some fantastic upgrades. It includes specialized nozzles for every cleaning need, from pet hair removal to air mattress inflation, and a steel filter that can be reused again and again. The dust cup has been expanded to hold 50% more, giving you more capacity between emptying. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Review TV, and check the description below to find the link to get your own SEALIGHT Handheld Car Vacuum. Happy cleaning!